Today's visit begins here in Fantasyland, where yours truly finally got a chance to ride Alice in Wonderland after its recent refurbishment.
Adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Wow. See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way.
Everything within the attraction itself looks great, with all its effects in proper working order.
Now this is curious. I wonder if the rabbit came in here.
Lost time, chance. I'm not sure where I am either.
Wait, don't go.
Don't think I ever noticed that Alice's arm moved like that before.
By the way, he went this way.
And the queen, she likes her man. Then she saw what instead.
She raised a horse.
And he told
He moves his head. Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen always wins.
Part of me still misses the painted cards that used to be up on those doors. Yet, nothing can beat this view you get of this area out on the Leaf.
There goes the cake.
One of the cast members saw me going a few times this morning, so they're going to let me go again. Won't bore anyone with another ride through here. But it was fun experiencing an attraction that I haven't in quite a while. Coincidentally, look who I ran into not that far away.
Thank you. Hello, good morning to you. How are you?
Doing fine. What a coincidence, I just ran into you because I just rode your ride 4 times.
4 times.
4
In a
times.
row.
4 times?
Not
4
the
times.
teacups.
Way too many.
You did the teacups 4 times in a row?
No.
Oh, the caterpillars.
But I wrote it on Disneyland's birthday, though. I wrote the teacups
Then
then.
perfect way to celebrate a birthday. Well, no, an unbirthday.
Well, not birthday. I love my birthday.
I know, me too.
It's
My
not birthday for
birthday
me
today.
every
Your
time I
birthday
come
today.
here.
Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you.
Well, a very, very birthday to all. To
Yeah.
all. Very, very birthday to all. To all. Hello there.
Today seemed to be a great one for characters, because Wendy and Peter Pan were getting ready to ride King Arthur Carousel. Although Mr. Toad's Wild Ride was currently closed and still behind construction scrims. The ones covering the Red Rose Tavern had finally been removed. With everything freshly painted and looking splendid as well. Before walking through Princess Fantasy Fair, however, more construction tarps and scaffolding have appeared in this area also. Fortunately, everything from the Royal Hall to the Royal Theatre are remaining open during this time. The opening day glitches and other refurbishment projects appear to be wrapping up over in Mickey's Toontown. The only one remaining is this interactive water feature at Donald's Boat. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway only had a 5-minute wait that morning. So yours truly decided to take another ride. Definitely surprising how empty the queue was then.
All right, movie fans, go ahead on in, everyone. Make sure you move all the way forward. Tell me them all the way
Get closer.
Come all the way in front. We're going over the highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Well, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Practical effect of Mickey and Minnie floating on those balloons up there has been running in B mode lately.
One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Hi, Daisy. 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 I just went to your ballet class on the ride. Yes, it was fun. And the conga part, always fun. Yeah. Our next destination requires passage aboard the Disneyland Railroad. Fascinating that this old Toontown sign still hangs above the railroad station.
Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station.
Then, my arrival in New Orleans Square revealed a huge development above Tiana's palace. Where its riverboat smokestacks have finally been installed and brand new signage are also up. Workers were utilizing this crane for some detailing the following day. But the restaurant itself appears to be pretty much complete. Wish I could say the same for the Adventureland Treehouse, though, which has been under refurbishment for nearly 2 years now. Although this construction worker here was doing some detailing work on that tree branch in there. In Critter Country, Chickapin Hill has been removed atop Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Demolition of the former Splash Mountain's thematic elements, including the tree, which used to be here, is continually ongoing. Now let's stay aboard the Mark Twain Riverboat for a much higher perspective.
Mark Twain is not just the name of a riverboat or a great American author. It also means
Recently, the Disneyland Resort announced that Fantasmic shall be paused until spring 2024.
rivers of America. On our trip, we'll visit the magnificent Columbia of the Great Northwest.
They also made sure to specify that the dragon won't be included during that time.
I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way.
And that a new battle between Mickey and Maleficent will become part of a brand new finale with other special effect elements that'll also be added. It'll be sad that Fantastic will come back without Dragon at first, but I got a feeling they'll build another one. This top deck vantage point of Bayou Adventure's construction really is a great view.
Tiana's Bayou Adventure is part of Critter Country, a remote wilderness filled with tall pines and tall tales about local animals that talk, sing, play music, and dance. Don't you just love tall tales?
They turned it into the most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend, but a culture passed down from generation to generation.
Hi, Miss Tiana.
Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while.
Haven't seen you either, so it's good to see you on the Twain today.
I know. How you been?
Been great. I wanted to ask you something. your restaurant. It
Yes.
looks like it's almost done.
It is. Did you see it?
I
Doesn't
saw
it look
it.
beautiful?
Oh, it looks
and
great.
you know, I am working on the menu as we speak, so I hope to see you there when it opens.
Oh,
all
sure,
right?
I'll be there as soon as we
Yes.
find out when it is. Do you have any idea when that could be?
Oh, almost. It's almost there, all right.
Of
I'll
course.
see you when it opens up, sweetheart.
All right. See you later, Miss Tiana.
Just ahead is the frontier land, where our
So, the next time you desire to converse with your favorite princess,
at this time,
be sure to do that during your next visit to the resort.
the stairway to the right side and back of the boat may offer the quickest and easiest route.